यहाँ से दोबारा शुरू करो. Start again from here. Start again from here. ज़्यादा साफ आवाज में पढ़ो. Read in a clearer voice. Read in a clearer voice. Lefts को अच्छी तरह खींचो. Stretch the word properly. Stretch the word properly. यहाँ रख कर सांस लो. Stop here and take a breath. Stop here and take a breath. ज़रा आस्ता पढ़ो. Read a little slowly. Read a little slowly. यहाँ आवाज ऊंची करो. Make your voice louder here. Make your voice louder here. यहाँ आवाज नीची करो. Make your voice lower here. Make your voice lower here. अच्छा, दोबारा दोहराओ. Good. Repeat it again. Good. Repeat it again. गलती मत करो. ध्यान से पढ़ो. Don't make a mistake. Read carefully. Don't make a mistake. Read carefully. हर लफ्ज़ अलग-अलग वाज़ह पढ़ो. Read each word separately and clearly. Read each word separately and clearly. MashaAllah, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा. MashaAllah, very good reading. MashaAllah, very good reading. आगे बढ़ो, अगला हिस्सा पढ़ो. Go forward, read the next part. Go forward, read the next part. थोड़ा और जोर से पढ़ो. Read a bit louder. Read a bit louder. हुरूफ को मिलाकर आहिस्ता पढ़ो. Join the letters and read slowly. Join the letters and read slowly. यहाँ से दोबारा दोहराओ. Repeat from here again. Repeat from here again. आवाज को नर्म रखो. Keep your voice soft. Keep your voice soft. हर आयत के बाद रुक जाओ. Stop after every verse. Stop after every verse. गलती को सही करो और दोबारा पढ़ो. Correct the mistake and read again. Correct the mistake and read again. किताब सीधी रखो. Keep the book straight. Keep the book straight. होंठ खोलो. Open your lips. Open your lips. ज़ीर बारीक पढ़ो. Read kasra softly. Read kasra softly. Zabar खोल कर पढ़ो. Read fatha openly. Read fatha openly. Peesh गोल आवाज से पढ़ो. Read dumb around. Read dumb around. Stop at the pause. Stop at the pause. Mad par आवाज खींचो. Stretch on mad. Stretch on mad. Shad par zoor do. Press on shada. Press on shada. Haruf saf ada karo. Pronounce letters clearly. Pronounce letters clearly. Ghana naak se nikalo. Make guna from nose. Make guna from nose. Saf आवाज में पढ़ो. Read in clear voice. Read in clear voice. Waqf par सांस लो. Breathe at stop. Breathe at stop. Jahan mila hai mila kar padho. Join where connected. Join where connected. Jahan alag hai alag padho. Read separate where apart. Read separate where apart. Jaldi mat karo. Don't rush. Don't rush. Saad dekh kar padho. Read while looking. Read while looking. Sabak daharate jao. Repeat the lesson. Repeat the lesson. Mushkil lafz dahrao. Repeat hard word. Repeat hard word. Asan hassa ravani se padho. Read easy part fluently. Read easy part fluently. Har ayat par rako. Pause at every verse. Pause at every verse. Aankhon se alfaz ko dekhte jao. Look at the words with your eyes. Look at the words with your eyes. Achhe lehje ke saath padho. Read with a nice tone. Read with a nice tone. Jahan rukne ki nishani hai, wahan ruko. Stop where the pause sign is. Stop where the pause sign is. Padhne ke baad dobara suno. Listen again after reading. Listen again after reading. Quran ko adab se padho. Read the Quran with respect. Read the Quran with respect. Jaldi bazi mat karo. Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. Har ayat ko gaur se suno. Listen to each verse carefully. Listen to each verse carefully. Ghalati ho jaye to fauran theek karo. If you make a mistake, correct it immediately. If you make a mistake, correct it immediately. Jahan sans khatam ho, wahan rak jao. Stop where your breath ends. Stop where your breath ends. Awaz ko seedhi rakho. Keep your voice straight. Keep your voice straight. Chote haruf barik padho. Read the small letters lightly. Read the small letters lightly. Bade haruf bhari padho. Read the big letters heavily. Read the big letters heavily. Sabak ko bar bar daharate raho. Keep repeating the lesson. Keep repeating the lesson. Har lafz ko gaur se dekho. Look carefully at each word. Look carefully at each word. Koshish karo, ghalati na ho. Try not to make mistakes. Try not to make mistakes.